up, YouTube? It's your boy, Colorado Caddy, and we are back with another adventure. Yo, today's gonna be a fun one. We're going up to meet up for a group ride up here at the park. I got my wife Priscilla with me, the hottest, sexiest, my favoriteest Surron rider in the world. Ah, she's hot. I love her whole look, everything she got going. Her long hair, she just got the white helmet. Got the big serious about this decal on the back with the purple fox. That shit goes tough. Her bike just goes stupid silly too. It looks so good. Big shout out as always to Dave over at eMoto Works. These bikes got done by We Code It. They were some of the last bikes to get done by We Code It in Houston, Texas. And we are absolutely honored to be riding them every time we step on these bikes. Every time I clean these bikes off, I am just in absolute awe that they are our bikes. So yeah, big shout out to Dave. The crazy amount of work. We got like, Dave alone has about 40 hours of work into these bikes combined. Every time I see him, he's working on something on my bike. He just got me hooked up with the Supermotos. You want to shop with eMoto Works, make sure you use code Colorado Caddy. Here, this is my actual code, COLOCADI. You save money, you help the channel, you help my riding, you help rides, you just help more than you even know by using my codes. But yeah, let's get over here to the park. Let's see how many people actually show up today. Oh, you might jump them. Yeah! Oh, man down. That was sick.
Hell yeah. Holy fuck, those were steep.
That was
They
nuts.
didn't look steep until you get up them, and then holy fuck.
Woo!
Got that.
It's his first attempt at high chairs. Yeah! Let's go. Tell him good job. Thank you. Hey, that lady clapped for you. That lady said clap for you. Yeah. Homie is progressing so much. It's so sick to see. So good to see. He's crazy. It's good. What's good? Yeah. Hey, we'll stay with them till like the 7-Eleven on 15. He follows me on Instagram.
That's what I'm talking about.
What's your battery? We'll probably have to break off up here. What's up? I appreciate you. Yo! Hey!
We're gonna need that.
We're gonna go right. We'll just have to go to downtown.
Now we're back to the
Jeremy! He's going left. Good work. Bruh, the fact that we can jump in gas packs and work now,
I know, it's so sick.
it's so sick.
They were all surprised.
Bro, that's all you gotta do is pull up and work and they'll show you respect.
Yo, I got clips of you. I don't know if you're gonna use them because you know you're all about electric, but that shit was hard.
I'll use them.
That shit was hard, bro.
I'll use those.
Did you get some gas ones, bro?
You good?
Bro.
That was sick.
That was dope. Hella.
That was super sick to just come across Hallowilly during our group ride. I was kind of hoping it would happen. They started way earlier than us. They started at like 11. We didn't start until like 2. But obviously there were still some of them out and around town. They'll be out all day. That was just hella good to run into. That really made me happy. That was fun getting in a gas bike path and putting in work. Like, damn! Like, damn! Whole lot of gang shit!
On the gas bikes busted the highway on us like we busted the trail on them.
Yeah.
Take a left and go hit the school. Wait,
All
are
right.
you going down Tejon?
We're going down Tejon back to the park.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta make a left.
Yeah, y'all gotta go left.
Safe, guys.
Peace. That was so sick. What's the best way from here? How's everyone's batteries?
35.
35.
35.
I'm ripping.
Let me see.
40.
He's like, I'm at 75.
Nice. She at 40.
Oh, okay.
How
Not as bad as I thought.
She be going fast. That's her shit. Yeah, gas bike rides are fun. Big drop bags.
Big scrapes too.
Yeah. And squiggles. Squiggles are the best. I do this thing where I wheelie now and I squiggle my body. I just wiggle. It's a lot of fun. I call them squiggles. Well, I think it's safe to say that that was an amazing group ride. Now me and my beautiful wife here are trying to make it back home before this storm hits us. Don't you hate when like you have a super good day out riding man, it just gets whomped on by the rain. But you know what I'm saying? We're good. Big shout out to 719 Mini Moto. That's who hosts that ride. That was really fun. Thank you to them for letting us latch on. Thank you to them for letting us latch on. Hold on, we got this truck behind us and he's getting a little crazy. Thank you. Okay, so he wasn't getting crazy. He was actually helping us out. You know, we really don't have that many crazy drivers out here that like hate us. For the most part, Colorado drivers are on par with what we do. I mean, they don't really mind us that much. Like you guys see in a lot of my videos, a lot of big packs just in the streets. And nobody's really honking. We don't have a whole bunch of road rage incidents. We haven't had any incidents really where people have got hit by any cars. I mean, purposefully. We did just have a one-wheeler die out here. Sorry about that. Rest in peace, Vin, I believe his name was. Yeah, like I said, now we are just back on the way to the house. And it looks like we did miss that storm. Just popped out into some sunshine real quick. So this is good. This is real good. I appreciate all you guys for watching the videos all the way through. I know this video didn't have a bunch of talking, it was just a lot of riding. But as you've seen, guys, the progress is real out here. I'm actually out here wheeling. Go check like 5 videos ago and I couldn't really. So yeah, shouts to everybody who's been helping me with it. Big shout out my boy Willie Stunts for getting me Hope Techs a while back. Without these brakes, I wouldn't have learned how to wheelie properly. And big shout out to Will in general for just all the tips and tricks he's given me with my wheelies. Thank you to everybody. I appreciate all you guys so much. Just for everything you guys do, for always watching. Shout out all my sponsors, Emoto Works, Motoclops, Shred Lights. Yeah, without everybody, this channel wouldn't exist and this channel wouldn't really be possible. Love all y'all. I appreciate all y'all. Big shouts to everybody. Until next time, peace.